The Mahabodhi Temple, meaning Great Awakening Temple, is the main shrine at Bodh Gaya. It was originally built by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BCE and has undergone several restorations. The present structure, dating mainly from the 5th to 6th century CE, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple stands about 55 meters tall with a pyramidal tower and intricate carving reflecting classic Indian architectural style. Adjacent to the Mahabodhi Temple is the Bodhi Tree, a direct descendant of the original fig tree under which Buddha meditated and achieved enlightenment. Unveiled in 1989, the Great Buddha statue in Bodh Gaya is one of the tallest statues of Buddha in India. It stands at 25 meters in a meditative seated posture, Dhyana Mudra, on a lotus pedestal. The statue is made of sandstone and red granite and was consecrated by the 14th Dalai Lama. Surrounding the statue are small sculptures representing Buddha's 10 principal disciples.